Hello everyone. Today, I have kind of news for you. I'm gonna give you a heads up. If you see my phone like glitching and stuff, then I'll have to do something about it, and I won't make a Roblox video, which it'll probably take a week or so if it if it's keep on glitching. But that noise in the background is my brother playing Super Mario for the Wii. But right now, I'm playing Flexscape. You saw this on my first video, so now I lost all my Robux. Now I can't wait for Sal to get here on time, so it could be 9 players, but I can't. But I'm just gonna make oh, I don't have one. Ooh, trophy. So, okay, dash, no. I don't have that. There's no way I have that, so I guess I'll just click on. So I'll just, oh, there we go. So anyways, all these people are like, oh, he has the screen. 15. Oh yay, it's time. So since it's been a couple months, or should I just say it was a month ago? Let's just say it was just a couple months. I don't know. I don't remember, but my first video I did Flexscape. And we'll see. Jack Sparrow. And then there's a dude over there. Oh, he's keeping looking. He's going to bird him. I did try to do some parkour. Yeah, that's some cool parkour if you saw it on video. That was some cool parkour. That's my skin. The skin is just dangerous. Really wonderful. Oh, that weird. Come on. Please, hurry up, please. Oh yeah, they have me checking out. Like this guy over here, he's going to poop. If you hear my brother, if you can hear my brother stop in the background, because he's walking around. I don't know anything. He's just digging for controllers. Man. Yeah, you should hear kind of looking like that. But anyway. So I guess I'm just gonna look. What is that dude doing? No, he's gonna kill us all. No, why did he do that? He's gonna kill us all. Thank you, Captain America. We called Captain. Oh no, he died. Oh no, oh no. Captain America is about to die. I'm gonna tell my brother if he can, not, like, laugh in the background, please. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so, now, I'm gonna do some epic parkour. I feel bad for that person. He's gonna die. Because I'm not gonna, yeah, he died. I'm actually kind of, like a good survivor. Cool. I forget parkour. Oh, I don't know the cookies now. These things are confusing. Oh, yay, got it right. Oh, I just pressed one button. And I'm out. So basically, they have this cars and poster everywhere. This guy's just standing here. No, it's full. No, 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 no. This is not right. No, why is there noobs in there? I'm not a big fan of noobs. So now my brother's playing the Wii U. And then there's a guest here. I never want to be a guest. It's kind of lonely because you can't talk. But my account's kind of like weak, kind of, because I'm just wearing like outfits that are free, you know. Before I had like Adidas, I'll get my money back soon. I will, but right now my account's deleted, so now. Oh, yay! There's a. This case is going. I'm gonna go with it. Alright, so we're hard mode. Let's see if I can try to do this. This is super hard actually. Because I die easily on this part. It's hard. Dude, like, because this mode, oh, see what I mean? Ah, I died. Oh, that person's still alive. See what I mean? It's so hard. But, oh my god, it closed on me. That's rude. Kind of. But I guess I could do 2 more rounds. And that'll probably be it for the video. But, oh my, wait, what the heck? He has a shark fin sticking through his back. This guy looks like Black Panther. Oh, he flipped. Oh, I thought he flipped over. This guy's wearing a jersey. And some sneakers, I guess. And there's 2 guests in here. Oh, air ventilation, man, please. And that noob has Robux maybe for that thing? I'm gonna try to get Captain Underpants stuff. I'm gonna try to get a cape. In my next video, you're gonna see me wearing Captain Underpants' cape. Alright? I promise you that in my next video. But right now, this will probably be the last round, I think. I'm not sure. We're waiting for 2 players to hurry up and win the round. So anyways. Also, I'm gonna make a new video of fidget spinners that I'm gonna show you. I think I have a new one, but it's a mystery because I don't want to tell you guys, spoil it for you. And yeah, so. Oh, this guy has no Robux for it. Come on, come in, come in, come in. I guess he does have Robux. Waiting for 1 player to die or survive. Get it? Because is he gonna survive or it's like the choice award. Is he gonna survive or is he gonna die? And I'm just gonna just jump around until it's kinda over. Just jumping around. The game has ended. Okay, I think you're done. Oh my god, someone made me jump. What are these guys? 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so this will probably be the last round. Okay. Oh, that guy is glitching. He's like, my brother is making a lot of noise, so you can hardly hear the game mode, I think. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna die. No! No! I guess I died. Well, that was pretty hard. So anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, or you can give it views and stuff. Like it, subscribe, or share it. Bye guys.